So here's how to add friends in Monopoly Go. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So, first you need to do is to open the game. Game screen will appear. At the left bottom, click on Friends. Options for Games Friend List setting will appear. Here you have some other game players whom if you want to add as friends. Then click on Add. Next you have 3 ways to add friends. The first one is that if you want to add friends through your mobile contacts, click on Contacts. Click on Add Contacts. Enter your phone number here. Click on Continue. Now you're any contact who has done the same step, you can add them easily. The second way is to add friends through Facebook. Click on the Facebook icon here. Click on Confirm. Now your Monopoly Go game account has been connected to your Facebook account. If your Facebook friends have Monopoly Go account, you can add them now. Otherwise, you can send them invite link to join the game. Now click on Invite. Now click on Invite again. Click on Copy, and link of your account will be copied. Now you can share it with your friends to invite or add them in the game. Click on Leaderboard to see your friends list. In this way, you can add friends in Monopoly Go.